नमो नमः। संस्कृतस्य सद्यस्कतासिकायां सर्वेषां पुनरेकवारं हार्दं स्वागतम्. In today's class, we are going to continue with the chapter Sauhardam Prakrutehe Shobha. Harmony is the beauty of nature. In this chapter, we have seen that some animals and birds start arguing about who deserves to be the king of the forest. Each one of them tries to prove itself to be superior to others and to be eligible for the position of the king. They can't come to any conclusion. A crane who has been listening to this conversation participates in it and starts bragging about itself. Will the other animals accept the greatness of the crane, or will they refute all the points put forth by the crane? We will get the answers to these questions in today's class. So let's continue with the chapter Sauhardam Prakrutehe Shobha.
Here is the Natyamshaha. I'll read it out. Mayuraha Vrukshoparitāh Sattahasapurvakam Virama Virama Atmashlaghayaha Kim na janasi yat Yadi na syannarapatihi Samyang neta tatah praja Akarnadhara jaladhau Viplaveteha nauriva को न जानाति तव ध्यानावस्थां स्थितप्रज्ञ इति व्याजेन वराकान् मीनान् छलेन अधिगृह्य क्रूरतया भक्षयसि धिक् त्वां तव कारणात् तु सर्वं पक्षिकुलमेवावमानितं जातम्. I hope you have understood the pronunciation of words. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah from the given Natyamshaha. The words with sandhihi or sanyogah are Vrukshoparitāh, Syannarapatihi, Samyang neta, Viplaveteha, Nauriva, Ko na, Dhyanavastham, Sthitaprajna iti, and Pakshikulamevavamanitam. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Vrukshoparitāh, the dissolution is Vruksha plus Uparitah. Syannarapatihi, the dissolution is Syat plus Narapatihi. Samyang neta, the dissolution is Samyak plus neta. Viplaveteha, the sandhi vichchedah is Viplaveta plus iha. Nauriva, the dissolution is Nauhu plus iva. Kona, the sandhi vichchedah is Kaha plus na. Dhyanavastham is the example of samasah and it has internal sandhihi. The dissolution is Dhyana plus avastham. Sthitaprajna iti, the dissolution is Sthitaprajnah plus iti. Pakshikulamevavamanitam, the dissolution is Pakshikulam plus eva plus avamanitam. Pakshikulam plus eva is the example of sanyogah and eva plus avamanitam is the example of sandhihi. Before we proceed to understand the meanings of the words, let's see the anvayaha of the verse. Here is the anvayaha. Yadi narapatihi samyak neta na syat tatah praja jaladhau akarnadhara nauhu iva iha viplaveta. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the Natyamshaha. Mayuraha, a peacock, Vrukshoparitāh, from above a tree, साट्टहासपूर्वकं, laughing loudly. Virama virama atmashlaghayaः. Atmashlagha means self-praise. Virama, stop. Take a break. Stop. Take a break from praising yourself. Or enough of your self-praise. Kim na janasi? Don't you know yet that? Don't you know that? Yadi न स्यान्नरपतिः सम्यं नेता ततः प्रजा. Yadi, if, narapatihi, a king, na syat, is not, samyak neta, a good leader, tatah, then, praja, his subjects. अकर्णधारा जलधौ विप्लवेतेह नौरिव. अकर्णधारा, without a captain. Jaladhau, in the ocean. Viplaveta, may sink. Nauhu iva, like a boat. The translation of the verse is: if a king is not a good leader, then his subjects may get destroyed, just like a boat without a captain may sink in the ocean. I hope you have understood the translation of the verse.
A king is like the captain of a ship. The captain is responsible for the safe and efficient operation of the ship. In the same way, a king is responsible for providing good governance to his subjects. Without a captain, a ship would go astray. It would get lost in the vast ocean. In the same way, if the king is irresponsible, if he is not a good leader, then his subjects would become like the ship without a captain and they would get destroyed. Here, the peacock is trying to say to the crane that he is not a good leader and that's why he can't become the king of the forest. I hope you have understood the verse. Now let's continue with the dialogue of Mayurah.
को न जानाति तव ध्यानावस्थां. को न जानाति, who doesn't know, ध्यानावस्थां, state of meditation. Who doesn't know your state of meditation? स्थितप्रज्ञ इति व्याजेन वराकान् मीनान् छलेन अधिगृह्य क्रूरतया भक्षयसि. स्थितप्रज्ञः means ascetic. व्याजेन, on the pretext of or pretending like. स्थितप्रज्ञ इति व्याजेन, pretending like an ascetic. वराकान् मीनान्, वराकान् poor, मीनान् fish, छलेन cunningly, अधिगृह्य having caught, क्रूरतया भक्षयसि, क्रूरतया in a cruel manner, भक्षयसि you eat them. The translation of the sentence is: pretending like an ascetic, you cunningly catch the poor fish and eat them in a cruel manner. Dhiktvam, fie upon you. It means shame on you. Tava karanat tu sarvam pakshikulamevavamanitam jatam. Tava karanat, because of you. Sarvam pakshikulam, the entire class of birds, avamanitam jatam, has got insulted. Because of you, the entire class of birds has got insulted. It means because of you, birds are treated with disrespect. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani based on the given Natyamshah. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. Samyak, which is given in the form of Sandhihi, is the Visheshanam of the word Neta. The word Akarnadhara is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Nauhu. Nauhu is also given in the form of Sandhihi. Varakan is the Visheshanam of the word Meenan, and Avamanitam is the Visheshanam of the word Pakshikulam.
I hope you have understood this dialogue of Mayuraha. Now let me take you to the next Natyamshaha.
अत्रास्ति अग्रिमः नाट्यांशः. अहं नाट्यांशं पठामि. वानरः सगर्वम् अत एव कथयामि यत् अहमेव योग्यः वनराजपदाय. शीघ्रमेव मम राज्याभिषेकाय तत्पराः भवन्तु सर्वे वन्यजीवाः. मयूरः वदति, अरे वानर, तूष्णीं भव. कथं त्वं योग्यः वनराजपदाय? पश्यतु पश्यतु, मम शिरसि राजमुकुटमिव शिखां स्थापयता विधात्रा एवाहं पक्षिराजः कृतः. अतः वने निवसन्तं मां वनराजरूपेणापि द्रष्टुं सज्जाः भवन्तु अधुना. यतः कथं कोऽप्यन्यः विधातुः निर्णयम् अन्यथा कर्तुं क्षमः? Now let's see the words with Sandhihi or Sanyogah from the given Natyamshaha. The words with Sandhihi or Sanyogah are Ata eva, Ahameva, Shigrameva, Rajamukutamiva, Evaham, Vanarajarupenapi, Kopyanyah. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Ata eva, the dissolution is Ataha plus eva. Ahameva is the example of Sanyogah and the dissolution is Aham plus eva. Shigrameva is also the example of Sanyogah and the dissolution is Shigram plus eva. There is one more example of Sanyogah, Rajamukutamiva, and the dissolution is Rajamukutam plus iva. Evaham, the dissolution is eva plus aham. Vanaraja rupenapi, the sandhi vichhedah is Vanaraja rupena plus api. And kopyanyah, the dissolution is kah plus api plus anyah. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the Natyamshaha. Vanaraha, the monkey, sagarvam, with pride. Ata eva kathayami yat ahameva yogyah vanarajapadaya. Ata eva kathayami, therefore I say, ahameva, I am alone, yogyah vanarajapadaya, I am alone fit to be the king of the forest. Shigrameva mama rajyabhishekaya tatparaha bhavantu sarve vanyajivaha. Shigrameva, soon. Mama rajyabhishekaya, for my coronation. Tatparaha bhavantu, be prepared. Sarve vanyajivaha, all the animals of the forest. The meaning of the sentence is, all the animals of the forest should soon be prepared for my coronation. Mayuraha, the peacock says, Are vanara, O monkey, tushnim bhava, keep quiet. Katham tvam yogyah vanarajapadaya. How are you eligible to be the king of the forest? Pashyatu, pashyatu, look here. Mama shirasi rajamukutamiva shikham sthapayata vidhatra evaham pakshirajah krutah. Mama shirasi, on my head, rajamukutamiva, like a royal crown, shikham, crest, sthapayata, by placing, vidhatra, by the creator of the world, that is Lord Brahma. Eva, indeed, aham pakshirajah krutah. I have been made the king of the birds. The translation of the sentence is, by placing a crest like a royal crown on my head, indeed, the creator of the world, that is Lord Brahma himself, has made me the king of birds. अतः वने निवसन्तं मां वनराजरूपेणापि द्रष्टुं सज्जः भवन्तु अधुना. अतः, therefore, vane nivasantam, the one who is living in the forest, mam, me, vanaraja rupenapi, as the king of the forest, drashtum, to see, sajjaha bhavantu, get ready, adhuna, now. The meaning of the sentence is, so now get ready to see me, that is to accept me, who is living in the forest, as the king of the forest. Yatah katham kopyanyah vidhatuhu nirnayam anyatha kartum kshamah. Yatah, because. Kah ko api anyah, who else. Vidhatuhu nirnayam, the decision of the creator of the world. Anyatha kartum, to change. Kshamah, is able, is capable. Because who else can change the decision of the creator of the world? It means nobody can change the decision of the creator of the world. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Natyamshah. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The word Yogyah is the Visheshanam of the pronoun aham, which is used to refer to the monkey. The words tatparaha and sarve are the Visheshane of the Visheshyam Vanyajivaha. The word Yogyah is the Visheshanam of the pronoun tvam, which is used to refer to the peacock. Sthapayata, which is an example of Shatru Pratyaya form, is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Vidhatra. Nivasantam is also the example of Shatru Pratyaya form, and it is the Visheshanam of the pronoun mam, which is used to refer to the peacock. I hope you have understood it.
Students, the language of the lesson is very simple and easy to understand. I hope you have understood this Natyamshah. Let's see the next one.
Here is the Natyamshah. I'll read it out. Kakah savyangyam are ahibuk nrutyatiriktam katava visheshata yatvam vanarajapadaya yogyam manyamahe vayam. Mayurah yatah mama nrutyam tu prakrutehe aradhana pashya pashya mama pichhanam apurvam saundaryam पिच्छान उद्घाट्य नृत्य मुद्रायां स्थितः सन् न कोऽपि त्रैलोक्ये मत्सदृशः सुन्दरः वन्यजन्तूनामुपरि आक्रमणं कर्तारं तु अहं स्वसौन्दर्येण नृत्येन च आकर्षितं कृत्वा वनात् बहिष्करिष्यामि अतः अहमेव योग्यः वनराजपदाय. I hope you have understood the pronunciation of words. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. The words with sandhihi or sanyogah are nrutyatiriktam, pichhanamapurvam, pichhanudghatya, kopi and ahameva. Now let's see the dissolution of these words. Nrutyatiriktam, the dissolution is nrutya plus atiriktam It is the example of samasah which has internal sandhihi. Pichhanam apurvam is the example of sanyogah and the dissolution is pichhanam plus apurvam. Pichhan udghatya is also the example of sanyogah and the dissolution is pichhan plus udghatya. Kopi, the dissolution is kah plus api. Ahameva is the example of sanyogah and the dissolution is aham plus eva. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the Natyamshah. Kakah, the crow says, Savyangyam, sarcastically. Are ahibuk, O you snake eater. Ahibuk means the one who eats snakes. Nrutyatiriktam katava visheshata. Nrutyatiriktam, other than dance. Katava visheshata, what else is your speciality? Yat, by which Tvam vanaraja padaya yogyam manyamahe vayam. Manyamahe, consider. By which we should consider you yogyam, eligible for the position of the king of the forest. The crow says, O you snake eater, other than dance, what else is your speciality? By which we should consider you eligible for the position of the king of the forest? Mayuraha, the peacock says, Yatah mama nrutyantu prakrutehe aradhana. Yatah, because. Mama nrutyam, my dance. Prakrutehe aradhana is the worship of nature. Because my dance is the worship of nature. Pashya, pashya, mama pichhanam apurvam saundaryam. Pashya, look. Look at the apurvam, incomparable, saundaryam, beauty of pichhanam, of my feathers, that is tail. Look at the incomparable beauty of my feathers. Pichhan udghatya, spreading his tail. Nritya mudrayam sthitah san. Nritya mudrayam, in the pose of dance. Sthitah san, standing. Spreading his tail and standing in the pose of dance. Na koapi trailokye mat sadrushah sundarah. Trailokye, in all the three worlds. Na koapi mat sadrushah sundarah. There is no one who is as beautiful as me. In all the three worlds, there is no one who is as beautiful as me. Vanyajantūnām upari akramanam kartaram. Akramanam kartaram, anyone who attacks. Vanyajantūnām upari, the animals of the forest. Aham swasaundaryena, with my beauty. Nrutyena cha, and with my dance. Akarshitam krutva, I will attract him. Vanat bahishkarishyami, and will drive him away from the forest. The meaning of the sentence is, anyone who attacks the animals of the forest, I will attract him with my beauty and dance and will drive him away from the forest. Ataha ahameva yogyah vanaraja padaya. Ataha, hence, I am indeed fit to be the king of the forest. I hope you have understood the translation of the Natyamshah. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Natyamshah. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The word Yogyam is the Visheshanam of the pronoun Tvam, which is used to refer to the peacock. The word Apurvam is the Visheshanam of the word Saundaryam. The words Sthitah and San are the Visheshane of the word Mayurah. and akarshitam is the visheshanam of the word kartaram.
Assuming that you have understood this Natyamshaha, I am taking you to the next one. Here is the next Natyamshaha. I'll read it out. एतस्मिन्नेव काले व्याघ्रचित्रकौ अपि नदीजलं पातुमागतौ एतं विवादं शृणुतः वदतः च व्याघ्रचित्रकौ अरे किं वनराजपदाय सुपात्रं चीयते एतदर्थं तु आवामेव योग्यौ यस्य कस्यापि चयनं कुर्वन्तु सर्वसम्मत्या सिंहः तूष्णीं भव भोः युवामपि मत्सदृशौ भक्षकौ न तु रक्षकौ एते वन्यजीवाः भक्षकं रक्षकपदयोग्यं न मन्यन्ते अत एव विचारविमर्शः प्रचलति. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah from the given Natyamshaha.
The words with sandhihi or sanyogah are etasminneva patumagatau avameva kasyapi yuvamapi and ata eva. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Etasminneva, the dissolution is etasmin plus eva. Patumagatau is the example of sanyogah and the dissolution is patum plus agatau. Avameva is also the example of sanyogah and the dissolution is avam plus eva. Kasyapi, the sandhi vichchedah is kasya plus api. Yuvamapi is the example of sanyogah and the dissolution is yuvam plus api. Ata eva, the sandhi vichchedah is atah plus eva. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the Natyamshaha. एतस्मिन्नेव काले व्याघ्रचित्रकौ अपि नदीजलं पातुमागतौ. एतस्मिन्नेव काले, in the meanwhile, व्याघ्रचित्रकौ, व्याघ्र a tiger, चित्रक a leopard. Vyaghrachitrakav is the example of iterator dvandva samasah and the dissolution of the word is Vyaghraha cha Chitrakah cha, a tiger and a leopard. Nadi jalam patum agatau, arrive there to drink water of the river. Etam vivadam shrunutah, they listen to this dispute, vadatah cha, and say. In the meanwhile, a tiger and a leopard arrive there to drink water of the river. They listen to this dispute and say, Vyaghra Chitrakau, tiger and leopard, Are, kim Vanaraja Padaya supatram chiyate. Vanaraja Padaya, for the position of the king of the forest. Supatram, a leader. Chiyate is being elected. Is a leader being elected for the position of the king of the forest? Etadartham tu avameva yogyav. Avam, we both. Yogyav, fit. Then we both are fit for that. Yasya kasyapi chayanam kurvantu sarvasammatya. Yasya kasyapi chayanam kurvantu. Select any one out of us. Sarvasammatya, with the consent of all. Select any one out of us with the consent of all. Simhaha, the lion says, Tushnim bhava bhoho. Oh, you keep quiet. Yuvamapi mat sadrushau bhakshakau natu rakshakau. Yuvamapi, you both are bhakshakau, are predators, mat sadrushau, like me. You both are predators like me. Natu rakshakau, not protectors. एते वन्यजीवाः भक्षकं रक्षकपदयोग्यं न मन्यन्ते. एते वन्यजीवाः, these animals of the forest, न मन्यन्ते, don't consider, भक्षकं, a predator, as rakshakapada eligible for the position of protector. These animals of the forest don't consider a predator as eligible for the position of protector. अतएव विचार विमर्शः प्रचलति. अतएव, hence, विचार विमर्शः प्रचलति, this discussion is going on. Hence, this discussion is going on. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Natyamshah. The word Yogyav is the Visheshanam of the pronoun Avam, which is used to refer to Vyagra Chitrakau, and the word Rakshakapada Yogyam is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Bhakshakam.
The conversation has already turned into a debate, and this debate is becoming interesting as more animals are participating in it. I hope you have understood this Natyamshah. Now let's see the Agrimaha Natyamshah.
Bakah सर्वथा सम्यगुक्तं सिंहमहोदयेन. वस्तुतः एव सिंहेन बहुकालपर्यन्तं शासनं कृतं. परमधुना तु कोऽपि पक्षी एव राजेति निश्चेतव्यम्. अत्र तु संशितिलेशस्यापि अवकाशः एव नास्ति. सर्वे पक्षिणः उच्चैः आम् आम्, कश्चित् खगः एव वनराजः भविष्यति इति. Now, let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah from the given Natyamshah. The words with sandhihi or sanyogah are Samyaguktam, Paramadhuna, Kopi, Rajeti, Samshitileshasyapi, Nasti, and Kaschit. Now let's see the dissolution of these words. Samyaguktam, the dissolution is Samyak plus Uktam. Paramadhuna is the example of Sanyogah and the dissolution is Param plus Adhuna. Kopi, the dissolution is Kah plus Api. Rajeti, the dissolution is Raja plus Iti. Samshitileshasyapi, the sandhi vichhedah is Samshitileshasya plus api. Nasti, the dissolution is na plus asti. And kaschit, the dissolution is kah plus chit. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the Natyamshah. Bakah, the crane says, Sarvatha samyaguktam simha mahodayena. Sarvatha, absolutely. Samyak uktam, right thing, correct thing, has been told. Simha mahodayena, by the lion. The absolutely correct thing has been told by the lion. Vastutah eva simhena bahukala paryantam shasanam krutam. Vastutah eva, actually. Simhena bahukala paryantam, for a long time. Shasanam krutam, has ruled. Actually, the lion has ruled for a long time. Paramadhuna tu kopi pakshi eva rajeti nischetavyam. Param, but. Adhuna, now. Kopi pakshi, some bird. Raja iti nischetavyam, should be designated as the king. Actually, the lion has ruled for a long time, but now a bird should be designated as the king. Atra tu samshitileshasyapi avakashah eva nasti. Samshitileshasyapi means a slight doubt. Avakashah, scope. There is no scope for even a slight doubt regarding this. There is no scope for even a slight doubt regarding this. Sarve pakshinah, all birds. Uchchaihi, loudly. Am, yes, yes. Kaschit khagah eva vanarajah bhavishyati iti. Kaschit khagah, some bird, vanarajah bhavishyati, will become the king of the forest. Yes, indeed, some bird will become the king of the forest. I hope you have understood the translation of the Natyamshah.
That brings us to the end of the presentation. I hope you have understood the part discussed by us today. We will meet again with the next part. Dhanyavadaha. Punarmilamaha.